Hello, welcome to Saima's Kitchen. How are you? Uh, I think that this is pea, snow pea. Yes, there's nothing pea, only you can see the skin disappear. So I have a little bit spoiled here, so I just take it out. Something is spoiled here. The color is changed. No worries, you just take a fresh one. I have no time, and my market is very far from here, so I have to cook this. I'll cook this all and I'll just clean it. I'll take it out. Only I think one is green, all is yellow. No problem. I'll cook. I'll just clean it, and what I'm gonna do is this is a snow pea. I'm going to use onion, garlic. Let's leave my garlic. Just take everything fresh if you have. I'll just use onion, garlic, and then I'll use this all in oil and just cook it. Then I'm going to use this pickle here, chili pickle. You can see 1 tablespoonful chili pickle. And I'm going to make rice here with snow. You can add tomatoes, carrot, whatever, but I don't have. I have only this one. So next will be chicken. I don't like the marination here. You just use red, whatever you like. So in only I think 1 piece I'm going to use in my dough. And I'm going to make a sandwich, only one. I'll just mash it, whatever you see. I'll just grind it or mash or grate or whatever, only a little piece, and with onion, chili, tasty flavor of spices. I just put on my dough, and I'll just show you what I'm going to make. This is the marination, and just I'll mince it. I'll use spice inside, chili inside, garlic, and anything, just a little bit. And I'll just show you what I'm going to make. Thank you. Just wait a little bit. Wait. In this shape, in this way, I'm going to cook. And it's delicious chili. I'm saying, what is pickled chili? They have big, large size chili here. Delicious one. To cook it, and I'm going to use it's not basmati. It's short grain rice, and I'm going to show you. After finish this, I'm going to use 1 cup of rice. So just look here. We're going to cook here. This is chicken. This base. I'm just mince with ginger. Garlic, paste tomato, you can take everything fresh. I don't have fresh here, but can work. This is preparation for dough. I'm going to make paratha or plain, and I'm going to use on this stuff inside. I'm just going to fry it. I'll show you. I can't do this one. Everything I can mince it. I don't have processor, so I'll just everything will go inside. I'll just finish my stuff and show you. This is how I made. You can see this is cubes here. This is how I made. You can make right, circle, any shape. How it looks. It's pretty. There's one of macaroni here. So it's ketchup. Yeah. This is sauce, hot sauce. It's a snow pea with rice and a little bit macaroni. It's very easy, just try it. And just try this also. Let's see. Thank you for watching. Just try and enjoy.